First you have to connect your mobile phone or laptop to Jio5 hotspot. Then go to mobile phone or laptop and open any browser, and then type this address jio5.local.html. then you will get a page like this. Then click on login. Then here enter username. By default the username is administrator, password also same, administrator. Then click on login, cancel this. Then select network, click on network. Then click on Wi-Fi configuration. Here this is the name of our network, SSID. So we want to hide this SSID, so others will not able to see this network name. For that, you can see here SSID broadcast. We have to disable SSID broadcast. So before disable SSID broadcast, let me see here. For example, here if you go to select network, you can see that network here like this. Anybody near to our Wi-Fi hotspot can see this network name. So we need to hide our network name or SSID from others. So for that we need to select this disabled SSID broadcast. We need to make it disabled, then save, then OK. So it's applying that new settings. Okay, it's done. Now let me turn off this Wi-Fi, then turn on Wi-Fi. So we need to turn off and turn on Wi-Fi in your mobile or your laptop. After that just scan for the network. So I am going to scan. So if you scan, you can see that it's not showing our network. It's not showing our SSID. See, SSID is not here because we disabled that SSID broadcast, right? Because of that it will not show that network name or SSID in our mobile or laptop. So how do we connect then? So there is an option. If this option is there in all mobiles or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. There you can see an option like this, connect to hidden network. This connect to hidden network will be available in your mobile phone and in your laptop. Connect to hidden network, then just type the name of your network or SSID. In my case it is my Wi-Fi 1 because I know the name of the SSID. Then select WPA and WPA to personal, then type the password. Password also I know. Only I know the name of the SSID and password. Others cannot see this name of the SSID. Okay, so I need to type it manually, then connect. You can see that it's connected. See, so I connected to hidden network. See, because I made it hidden, right? So now let me go to, see, it's disabled. So this way we can hide our network name or SSID from others. Okay.